Hey friends, today we're going to draw a taco cart.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
First, I want to give you a quick preview of how our taco carts turned out at the very end. And it's a lot of fun, so I hope you're excited to follow along with us.
Yeah.
And we're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have.
Also, if we go too fast, remember to pause the video.
Yeah, you could also pause if you want to add more details too. Let's first draw the top of our cart. We're going to start by drawing a line straight across. I'm going to draw a little higher. There we go. Right about here. And we're not going too far because we're going to draw this coming out on both sides. This is the little sunshade for the top of our cart so that we don't get sunburnt when we're eating tacos or buying tacos. Okay, now we're going to draw a line that goes across and connects to the other side. Yeah. Okay, now right here, let's draw a line right in the middle. We're going to divide this up. So we'll draw right down the middle. And then let's also draw a line diagonal right here, then also diagonal going the other way on this side. Then we're going to split it one more time. And I like doing this because it's a fun way to evenly split the space. So now we can... It's a lot easier to do this and make them all even instead of trying to start over here and then draw them and then end up over here with equal spaces. Okay, now right here we're going to draw a letter U that connects to each line at the very bottom. And we'll go all the way across. And we're trying to draw these letter U's the same size. We don't want to go too far down and make them too long or too short. Yeah, keep going. Now let's draw a line coming down from in between these two letter U's and then the same thing over here on this side. Then we're going to draw a line that goes across and connects these two, but I'm going past on each side. I like turning my paper sideways just like that. Sometimes it's easier to draw a straight line. Then we can draw two short lines coming down further. I'll turn my paper again and draw it towards me to complete this really long rectangle shape. Yeah, okay, now over here, we're gonna draw our wheel for our taco cart so we can move it around. And let's start here, and I'm gonna draw a circle about that size. Yes, and then we can draw another circle inside that smaller for the wheel or the tire. And then let's draw a smaller circle for the center. And then let's draw the spokes. We can draw a line straight down. And then let's draw a line straight across. And then let's draw diagonal lines in between going this way and then also going the other way. There we go. There's our wheel. Now let's connect it with the bottom of our cart. So I'm going to start here and we'll draw it down and stop halfway. So halfway down the wheel. And that's okay. You drew yours further out. So you could just draw it right here. And then you could imagine it going behind and then stopping here.
Okay.
Then we can also draw the side of the cart over here coming down. And I'm going to stop halfway too and just use your eyes to kind of measure. And then we can also turn our paper sideways and then connect the bottom of our cart together. There you go. Yes, you did it. Okay, then over here on this side, let's draw the part that comes down. This is for the stand so it can be level. And then we can also draw a diagonal coming up. Oh, let's also draw the handle for our cart so we can push it. So we'll draw a diagonal line coming out. And then this way, let's come down and then repeat going back in. All right, we finished our cart, but it doesn't really look like a taco cart. Let's add the taco. Okay. We're going to start right here. Let's draw a giant taco, actually. I'm going to start right here, and we're going to draw an upside down letter U or a rainbow line. And then on the right side, we can connect it down to the bottom. This taco is just chilling on the top of our cart. And then let's draw the stuff inside of our taco. I'm going to draw the beef first. Then we can draw some lettuce and maybe some more lettuce on top. And then on the side right down here, we're going to draw the other part of the taco shell coming around and then connecting into the lettuce. There's our taco. Nice job. Okay.
It's a circle.
Yeah, I like it. It looks awesome. Now let's draw the salsa and some of the toppings we can put on. And we'll put them in these little bottles. So I'm going to draw a rectangle shape right here and another rectangle shape next to it. Maybe one is mild sauce and the other one is hot.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Then we could draw another small rectangle on top. And then we'll draw an upside down letter V for the nozzle. Oh, we need a sign to advertise our tacos. Let's start right here, and we're going to draw the letter C right in the middle. It's funny that we're starting with the C, but do you know why we're starting with the C?
So we can like center it, right?
Yeah, this is the middle letter. Then we can put an O on this side. And we can draw an A on the left side. Then we'll draw the letter T, or write it, and an S on the end. It's just floating, so let's draw this sign that goes around it. I'm going to draw a line going up on the left and also on the right. We're going to go a little past the height so that we can connect it across the top. And also, I'm going to add another one down here. We did it! We finished drawing our taco carts, except we still need to
color them.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. Or you could color it different. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Austin, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our taco cart, and it turned out awesome. I especially love yours. That little taco kind of looks like a hamburger on its side.
Kinda.
I love it. And it's okay that our two drawings don't look exactly the same, because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice, have fun and practice. And it's okay if our art friends' drawings look different too. Now, you could even pause the video to add more things to your drawing. You could add a full background. You could even add people eating the tacos or ordering the tacos. And you could also,
Color with something different.
oh yeah, we use markers, but you could use whatever you have at home or in the classroom.
Yeah. We hope you had fun drawing a taco cart.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.